In today's world, everyone's shouting. Every brand is posting, tweeting, and filming. But here's the question. Are you building a brand or are you just making noise? It was marketing legend David Ogilvy who once said, if it doesn't sell, it isn't creative. Visibility for its own sake doesn't grow your business. You can't deposit likes in the bank. And every day, small business owners are being told, be visible, post more, stay active. So they do. But if your message isn't clear and if people can't tell what makes you different, then all you're doing is you're just adding to the noise. So the reality is that visibility actually is very easy, but being remembered, that's hard. The goal isn't to be seen by everyone. It's to be unforgettable to the right ones. Let's take Apple in its early years. They didn't try to outshout competitors like IBM with more specs or louder ads. They focused on simplicity and identity. Think different. That one message defined a brand that people felt, not just noticed. On a smaller scale, consider a local design agency that posts endlessly about great service and affordable prices. That's noise. But when they start showing how their designs transform clients' sales or reputation, suddenly that's clarity. The difference, noise tells and branding connects. So how do you know if you're making noise or if you're building a brand? Let's ask ourselves a number of questions. First, is my message consistent? If your posts, emails, and website all say different things, then people won't remember any of it. Does my audience know what I stand for? Strong brand takes a stand. It has a tone, a belief, and also a personality. And am I talking to my audience or at them? Brands listen, they interact, they inspire. Noise shouts. And when you have clarity, then every piece of marketing is going to become a magnet, not a megaphone. So, are you building a brand or are you just making noise? The difference isn't about how often you post, but how clearly you communicate your value. If you're ready to transform your visibility into memorability, to stand out, to attract ideal clients, and grow with purpose, then it's time for you to join the Scale Up Academy. Sign up at edwardklinger.com. Inside, you're going to find proven branding frameworks, marketing tools, and step-by-step strategies to help you rise above the noise and to become truly unforgettable. Thanks for tuning in to Treehouse Talks. Until next time, keep growing, keep leading, and keep making meaning, not just noise.